Oh, shit. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kyla, and you probably just came from watching my Vlogmas 3. I'm gonna do a hair tutorial of how to crimp hair. Ooh, it's loud. I know I said I was gonna do just showing pictures on social media, but I think I'm actually gonna do a tutorial of how I do it. Hopefully it turns out good. And yeah, so I'm gonna just show you a few steps and I'm probably gonna put the rest in time lapse. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I think this is, yeah, it is. Trying to get that thing done. Okay, so I'm gonna just take like this big section kind of, I'm just gonna like pull through them and brush it really quickly. And let's see how this turns out. I guess. How did I used to do this? Sometimes I would just braid my hair and not just straighten over it. So I didn't have like a thing like this. Yeah, it comes out kind of wavy, but it'll be better. It will be better, don't worry. Okay, so just put it on for like 10-15 seconds, like don't burn your hair off. I think as it gets closer to the end, it gets like the waves get deeper. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I do. Take like an inch, 2-inch section and just clamp it down on top of it. And hold for like 10-15 seconds. And sorry, I've saying end a lot and I'm looking in the mirror like right there. But yeah, thing. I'm just gonna put some time lapse now. So disclaimer, I've never actually used this thing. I tried like once, but then one time my hair was just so crappy that it would not crimp. So I just gave up. But now it's working pretty well and I'm loving the results. Okay, so back to time lapse. Holy shit. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys about why mine is like gold plated, because I have I am mixed and I have mostly black people hair, that's what people call it, so it kind of just doesn't work with like a regular Conair or something, so I have to use like a gold plated kind of thing because it gets extra hot and it can actually like go deep into my hair. So yeah, it's gonna be probably a short video because, or I say it makes it turn into a freaking long video. So now I'm probably going to go over it like one more time just to make sure that the crimps stay. And I'll go over it again probably in the morning, so it'll definitely look good for tomorrow. I almost burned myself again. On my bangs, I don't do it for as long because they're short and they do not need that much heat to do it. As you can tell, I am wearing a flower crown. I've been wearing one all day. You can't really see it that much, but it is crimped. I'm sick. Sucks. Okay, so let's turn that off. Okay, so this is the finished product. It's all crimped in here. It's all crimped and wavy and everything, and I like it. It's not too deep and it's not too light, so I like it. And then really this tomorrow, I'm just gonna touch it up in the morning, and yeah, I'm probably not gonna have this video up until like tomorrow, so I have to do the Vlogmas video night. Technically it's yesterday because it'll be up yesterday, but yeah, so it's finished product. I really like it, and if you want to like have it hold, just spray some hairspray or some like extra hold spray, whatever. And yeah, so I'm gonna end this video now because it's been long and I'm gonna have to edit a lot of this. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like my hair. I'll probably do more hair tutorials. I haven't really been doing any hair tutorials or makeup tutorials. I'm probably gonna do some of those. And probably like a makeup tutorial in the morning, because why not? It's, yeah. But yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Kisses. Bye. Love you guys.